In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bookmap in this 2026 full guide. We'll go through the full setup process from downloading the platform to launching it for the first time, so you can get everything installed correctly and start using it without confusion. First, head over to the Bookmap website and access the Bookmap user portal. If you're new to Bookmap, create an account. If you already have one, just sign in. This portal is where you'll manage your software access, downloads, and license information. So it's the main place you'll return to whenever you need to install or update the platform. Once you're inside the portal, open the download section. Here, look for the production version of Bookmap for your operating system, either Windows or macOS. The production build is the stable version recommended for most users, so if you're not specifically testing something, this is the one you should choose. After the download finishes, open the installer file to begin the setup. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. You'll need to accept the license agreement, then choose where you want Bookmap to be installed. If you're not sure, the default folder is perfectly fine for most setups. After that, click Install and let the software copy everything it needs onto your computer. When the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installer. From there, launch Bookmap using the desktop shortcut on Windows or the Applications folder on macOS, depending on your system. The first time you open Bookmap, you'll be prompted to activate it. Go back to the user portal, copy your Bookmap license key, and paste it into the activation window. Make sure you copy it exactly as provided so the activation works smoothly. After activation, sign in and complete the initial setup. At this stage, you'll be asked to select your preferred broker or market data provider. This part is important because Bookmap relies on that connection to display the market information you'll be using inside the platform. Once that's done, add a trading symbol and check that live data or replay data, if that's what you're using, is loading properly. This is a good final check to confirm everything is connected and working as expected. If you don't have a paid subscription yet, you can start with the free digital plan and upgrade later if you need more features. And that's it. Bookmap should now be installed, activated, and ready to use.